Hey guys, I'm Jason. I'm the head engineer at Catch Power. I thought today we would do the unboxing of the 6-channel relay. I know it's been a much anticipated product, but let me tell you, it's worth the wait. So let's have a look, hey? Start with the beautiful box, slightly larger. We've got the relay. We'll leave that bit to last. There's lots to talk about in this little package. We've got the resistor. Many of you would have had your RS485 challenges over the years. Well, you would have found the resistor will solve a lot of those problems. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 CTs. So that can represent 6 CTs of hell or as much monitoring as you can possibly get your hands on. So I think we've got some other videos which show you how to get these CTs installed nice and easily and simply, which is fantastic. I'll just take the CTs out of the box. I think they're no different to the CTs you've been dealing with in the past. 100 amps, split core, open and shut. There's an arrow in there that lets you know what direction things need to be. We've even stripped and tinned the ends for you, so everything should be nice and easy. But 6 CTs in the box. I dare say there'll be a few sitting around on the shelves in your warehouse as time passes on. The connectors for the relay, the old relay, we had the same connector for the top and the bottom. We've changed that up for the 6-channel CT, so a slightly larger power connector goes into the bottom. And then we've got connectors for all the signaling on the top. So still the same concept as the 2-channel, power in the bottom, signaling at the top, but different connectors so you can't get it wrong, which is terrific. Alrighty, so we get a close-up of the product and we can talk about how it all works. So we have still the standard 3 LEDs that we're used to, the power light, the load light, with a little twist now, the load light, and the Bluetooth light. We have power coming into the bottom for 3 phases. We call them R, S, and T because we like to be a little bit different to everyone else. That allows us to run single phase, split phase, or 3-phase installations, all within the one device. And even with a split phase installation, you still can use all 6 CTs, even though we only have 2 voltage references. So that's fantastic. We've got our traditional AC out, load out, designed to control the contactor, and of course neutral. Across the top of the product here, we've got slots for 6 CTs. Now we've done things a little bit different with the CTs. A lot of other products in the marketplace they common together all of the ground wires on the CTs, and all the positive wires have their own terminal. We don't do that. We have a full differential signal, just makes for a better quality measurement. But the downside to that is you've got to put 12 wires into the top. But it's not too much of a hassle to do that. I'll just put them in there so we remember to talk about them later. And then we have the additional signaling, which some of this will be new to the product. So we have our traditional RS485, which is the top 3 pins. We've added an additional ground reference to the RS485, which wasn't in the 2-channel device, and that's for very difficult, long, noisy signals. Noisy runs where you're having issues getting communications. A ground wire just helps clean all of those up so you get a better communication. Most of the time you won't need it, but it's there. And the big addition is we have a DRM output on this device. So not only can you control a contactor, but you can also control a DRM output to control air conditioning or whatever the case may be. So the load light, that's the twist. So the load light comes on when the contactor is on. The load light also comes on when the DRM controls are active. So that's it. That's the new 6-channel device. We've got all the usual stuff, safety stuff. We've got warranty cards here and connectors. That's it. Good luck. If you have any dramas, always reach out, contact us at tech support. Always happy to help. But there's a lot going on here, and we're very excited about the capabilities that the 6-channel is delivering and all the new control stuff. So thank you.